Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Small Steps Academy, and in this class we are going to study about a new scheme of unemployment reduction in India, that is NPS Swavalambam. So if I talk about the eligibility, the scheme is applicable for all citizens of India. Age group is 60 to 18 to 60 years, and all the citizens under the working under the unorganized sector. And who will be considered as working unorganized sector? Person will be deemed to belong to unorganized sector if that person is not in regular employment of the central or state government. So the scheme will be applicable to all persons in the unorganized sector, subject to the condition that benefit of central government contribution will be available only to those persons whose contribution to NPS is minimum 1000 rupees and maximum of 12,000 per annum for both tier 1 and tier 2 taken together, provided that the person makes a minimum contribution of rupees 100 per annum to his tier 1 NPS account. So let's see how the individual can enroll now. So eligible individual in the age group of 18 to 60 willing to open NPS Swavalamban account may fill the NPS Swavalamban form. And there is normal KYC for KYC of the document. Okay, know your customers. And the initial minimum contribution amount to be deposited at the time of registration is rupees 100 only. And they have to also submit the filed form along with the relevant document to the aggregator, or they can also even call on their toll free number or just SMS NPS to the number which is given on their website. Okay, so let's see about the contribution made. So this scheme NPS Swavalamban, being aimed at economically disadvantaged section of the society, shall have minimum and maximum limit of investment amount in each account prescribed by the PFRDA and as amended from time to time. Also, to become eligible for this benefit, a subscriber need to contribute within the specified limit of 1000 to 12,000 per year in his NPS account. Okay. Now let's see how can we withdraw or exit if we want to exit in the between only of the specified period. If we want to exit and take out our fund, so what is the criteria and how much will we get? So the exit from the Swavalamban scheme would be on the same terms and condition on which exit from tier 1 account of NPS is permitted. That is, exit at age 60 with 40% minimum annuitization of pension wealth, and exit before 60 with 80% minimum annuitization of pension wealth. So it's like that if you want to withdraw any time before 60 years of age, you would be required to invest at least 80% of the pension wealth to purchase a life annuity from IRDA, that is regulated life insurance company, and rest 20% of the pension wealth may be withdrawn as a lump sum. Second is, if you have attained the age of 60 and now you want to exit. Okay, so in that case, at exit you would be required to invest minimum 40% of your accumulated savings to purchase a life annuity from IRDA. Okay, and you may also choose to purchase an annuity for amount greater than 40%, and the remaining pension wealth can be either withdrawn in lump sum or on attaining the age of 60. Now third case we get is the death. If there is death due to any cause, in such an unfortunate event, option will be available to the nominee to receive 100% of the NPS's pension wealth in lump sum. However, if nominee wishes to continue with the NPS, he or she shall have to subscribe to NPS individually after following due KYC procedure. Okay, so this was all about this scheme, NPS Swavalamban. Swavalamban. Okay, so that was all. So thank you guys for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, and keep watching Small Steps Academy. Okay, guys, bye.